If you're an adventure enthusiast, vlogger, or just love capturing life on the go, a pocket action camera is your perfect companion. Compact yet powerful, these cameras are built to withstand rugged environments while delivering high-quality video and photos. Whether you're diving underwater, hitting the trails, or recording daily moments, here are the best 5 action cameras that combine performance, portability, and durability. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Huafant M4R Action Camera. The thrill of capturing life's wildest moments gets a serious upgrade with this little beast of a pocket action camera. At first glance, it may look compact, but once you dive into what it offers, you'll realize it's designed to be a powerhouse in your pocket. Imagine strapping it to your helmet, mounting it on your board, or simply holding it in your hand, and suddenly every detail of your adventure comes alive in crisp, jaw-dropping quality. Shooting in both 5K at 30 frames per second and 4K at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. This camera ensures your memories are recorded with cinematic clarity. Every movement, every splash, every burst of energy is caught without compromise. Navigation feels natural and modern with dual IPS touchscreens, one on the back at 2 inches for full control and one on the front at 1.33 inches that makes vlogging or framing yourself incredibly easy. Whether you're switching settings on the fly or checking playback, it's fast, responsive, and intuitive. On top of that, the built-in 4-axis electronic image stabilization means you don't need to worry about bumpy roads, shaky trails, or adrenaline-charged rides. Your footage comes out smooth and steady like you had a professional gimbal in play. This is not just a land-based camera. With waterproofing up to 30 meters, it invites you to explore beneath the waves or jump into river rapids without hesitation. It's ready for the pool, the ocean, or that cliff dive you've been dreaming about. The zoom function is another surprise. With 5x digital zoom, you can get closer to the action without sacrificing your position. Pair that with the included wireless microphone and remote control, and suddenly you're not just shooting video, you're directing a story with sharp visuals and clean audio, even when you're in the middle of chaos. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a thrill seeker, or simply someone who loves documenting life in motion, this camera doesn't just keep up, it pushes you to go further. It's lightweight, sleek, and versatile enough to become your everyday adventure companion. From mountain peaks to ocean depths, from dirt trails to city streets, this is the kind of gear that makes you want to plan your next trip just to see what else it can capture. Pros: high resolution, dual screens, stabilization, waterproof design. Cons: battery life, low light. Number 4. Huafant F6W Action Camera. Adventure just feels different when you have the right camera in your pocket, and this one takes excitement to the next level. From the first look, it promises not just portability, but also raw power, and once you dive into the details, you can see why it stands out. Delivering 5K resolution at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, every second of footage feels cinematic, crisp, and fluid. Whether you're cycling down mountain trails, recording your surf session, or documenting a cross-country drive, it captures clarity that makes replaying moments just as thrilling as experiencing them. The dual-screen setup immediately feels modern and practical. The rear 2.2-inch touch display is larger than most, giving you comfortable control over menus and playback, while the 1.33-inch color front screen makes framing yourself for vlogs or action shots incredibly convenient. The 48-megapixel photo capability is another major advantage, ensuring that still images are just as breathtaking as your videos. Paired with distortion correction and electronic image stabilization, the footage remains smooth and natural even when life around you gets chaotic. Durability is at the heart of its design. Waterproof up to 30 meters, it invites you to explore reefs, rivers, and pools without hesitation. Operating in temperatures from -10 to 60 degrees Celsius, it's built to withstand extremes, making it perfect for snowboarding in icy mountains or trekking under the blazing sun. With 8x digital zoom, the action doesn't have to be right in front of you. You can close in on the details without losing the essence of the moment. Practical features like Wi-Fi support, NFC compatibility, and remote control access make sharing, editing, and controlling your shots easier than ever. The iSmart DV2 app extends its usability, letting you preview, adjust, and transfer footage seamlessly. With support for multiple languages, from English to Japanese and beyond, It adapts easily for global adventurers. The replaceable 1,350 mAh battery ensures you can swap and continue recording without being tied down, making it reliable for long days outdoors. Weighing just over 100 grams, it's light enough to carry everywhere but solid enough to feel trustworthy in the hand. Every element, from its f2.8 aperture to its support for high-capacity memory cards, is geared toward enthusiasts who want both quality and flexibility. Whether you're a beginner, eager to start capturing adventures, or a professional seeking a versatile backup camera, this model inspires you to move, explore, and create without limits. Pros: high resolution, dual screens, waterproof, replaceable battery. Cons: low light, battery duration. Number 3. Iaura Action Camera. Adventure becomes more dynamic when you have the freedom to capture it from every angle, and that is exactly where this pocket-sized action camera shines. Unlike traditional fixed-lens designs, its 270-degree rotatable lens completely changes the way you record, letting you shift perspective effortlessly. Whether you want a forward-facing view of your journey, a selfie-style frame, or a creative tilt for cinematic flair, the rotating design gives you the kind of flexibility that sparks experimentation. Add to that a 5K high-definition sensor, and suddenly every scene looks sharp, detailed, and ready for playback on any modern screen. Smoothness is where many compact cameras struggle, but this one comes prepared with optical image stabilization. Instead of relying purely on digital corrections, it uses stabilizing technology that keeps footage steady even when you're moving fast or dealing with sudden jolts. It makes action shots look professional, giving you confidence to record in environments where others might hesitate. From skateboarding through city streets to capturing fast-moving water sports, your video remains stable and enjoyable to watch. The waterproof housing is a huge advantage for anyone who doesn't want to limit their adventures to dry ground. With the ability to dive beneath the surface, it opens up entirely new creative possibilities. Whether it's snorkeling among reefs, capturing underwater wildlife, or simply filming poolside fun, the camera adapts effortlessly to wet conditions. The robust housing also adds an extra layer of durability, protecting it from splashes, rain, or rough handling outdoors. Connectivity is another area where this little device excels. Built-in Wi-Fi makes transferring your footage to your phone or sharing clips on the go a simple, hassle-free process. You don't need to wait until you get home to relive your experiences. You can upload highlights directly to your social platforms and share the adventure as it happens. With support for micro SD or TF cards, storage is expandable, meaning you're free to carry hours of video without worrying about running out of space. Compact, versatile, and loaded with features, this camera feels like a creative companion more than just a recording device. It encourages you to try new perspectives, explore new environments, and capture memories in ways that feel fresh and exciting. For anyone who values flexibility, durability, and smooth performance in a small package, this pocket camera is more than ready to deliver. Pros: rotatable lens, stabilization, waterproof, Wi-Fi sharing. Cons: low light, limited battery. Number 2. Sjcam C300 Action Camera. There's something instantly exciting about holding a camera that feels built for adventure, and this pocket-sized model makes you want to hit record the moment you pick it up. Designed with portability at its core, it slips into your pocket yet delivers a level of performance that rivals bulkier setups. At 4K resolution with 30 frames per second, it captures action with sharp clarity and smooth motion. Whether you're running through city streets, cycling along winding trails, or catching the sunset on a coastal drive, every scene feels vibrant and polished, giving you content worth reliving and sharing. What really sets it apart is the advanced 6-axis gyro stabilization. Action cameras often struggle with jittery footage when the pace gets fast, but this system smooths out vibrations and shakes, leaving you with video that looks as if it were shot with professional gear. It allows you to stay in the moment without worrying about holding perfectly steady, letting you focus on the experience while the camera handles the stability. Low light performance is another standout feature. With its super night vision, you're not limited to bright, sunny days. Whether you're recording evening rides, late-night cityscapes, or starry skies, the camera pulls in extra detail and maintains clarity even when the lighting is less than ideal. It transforms night scenes into something cinematic, opening up opportunities that many small cameras can't handle. Connectivity is seamless with 5G Wi-Fi support, which means quick transfers and responsive remote control. The ability to operate the camera hands-free with a Wi-Fi remote makes shooting more convenient, especially when mounted on helmets, bikes, or tripods. You can start or stop recording, snap photos, or adjust angles without fumbling with buttons, keeping your focus where it belongs, on the action. Its compact build is a major strength for anyone who doesn't want to be weighed down by gear. Small, lightweight, and easy to carry, it's perfect for both everyday use and travel. Yet despite its size, it packs professional-level features that make it just as suitable for sports and outdoor adventures as for casual vlogging, or even serving as a webcam. It feels like a multi-purpose creative tool that adapts to different lifestyles. Pros: stabilization, night vision, 4K quality, portability. Cons: battery life. Number 1, and the winner, is Ordro M5 action camera. Some cameras are made just to capture life, but others are built to create stories, and this one feels like it belongs to the second category. Right from the moment you see its sleek, handheld design, you know it's different from the typical pocket action camera. Slightly larger but still compact enough to carry around, it comes loaded with features that bridge the gap between an action cam and a professional camcorder. Recording in 5K at 30 frames per second or 4K at 60 frames per second, it delivers visuals that are sharp, rich, and cinematic. Add in options for 1080p at a blistering 120 frames per second, and you have a tool that can slow down action beautifully while keeping it smooth and detailed. One of its most powerful advantages is the integrated 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Unlike standard digital stabilization, this system physically balances the camera in real time, reducing shake and keeping footage steady across every movement. Whether you're walking through crowded streets, vlogging on the go, or filming fast-paced action, the stability feels effortless. Combined with modes like pan follow, tilt follow, and face tracking, it adapts intelligently to the scene and your shooting style. Low light capability is enhanced by infrared night vision, giving you the power to record even in near total darkness. From evening events to moody night landscapes, you're not restricted to daylight hours. This feature makes it especially appealing to vloggers and creators who want flexibility across different environments. The 3.5-inch IPS touch display further sets it apart, offering a larger viewing area than most compact cameras, making framing, playback, and menu navigation a far more comfortable experience. Its Sony CMOS sensor ensures solid image quality, while the ability to capture up to 48 megapixel still photos makes it as versatile for photography as it is for video. With support for memory cards up to 512 gigabytes, long shoots become worry-free. The inclusion of ports like Type-C USB, Mini HDMI, and a 3.5mm microphone input shows that this is not just a simple gadget, but a tool ready for more serious setups. Remote control support makes it even easier to manage when mounted or positioned away from you. Weighing just over 200 grams, it feels light enough to handle comfortably yet substantial enough to reassure you of its durability. Whether you're aiming to vlog daily, shoot creative projects, or document high-action adventures, this camera encourages you to do more, experiment more, and share more. It's a hybrid between action and creativity, and it feels like a gear upgrade that makes every outing more exciting. Pros: 3-axis gimbal, night vision, high resolution, large screen. Cons: bulkier size. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.